Hello everyone. Good morning. I am Arnold Chaudhary. I am very glad that our respected teachers provide us golden opportunity to speak. Today I am here with my team to present our presentation about the topic of blockchain. I don't have much knowledge, but so that our teachers may forgive us if any mistake is done. So basically, blockchain. What is blockchain? Block is a data of transaction. It all stored in a block and maintains a chain that's called a blockchain. All the information, just like senders, information, receivers, transaction process, and all this information is stored in it. Likewise, it is a secure method of transaction mainly, and all the information is stored permanently after adding the block into the pre-existing block. So what is blockchain? You can see that blockchain is like a digital notebook that's set across many computers. So it is connected with one computer to another into a P2P network, and there is a node. What is node means? Node means that validates the transaction.
Hello, good morning everyone. So as friend of mine has already discussed about what is blockchain, so now I am going to explain the principles of blockchain. So as we can see here, their distributed ledger technology, all participants in the network have access to the distributed ledger and its immutable record of transactions. This eliminates the need for a central authority and reduces the risk of data tampering. Immutable records: once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. If an error occurs, a new transaction must be added to correct it, ensuring transparency and traceability. Smart contracts: these are self-executing contracts with the term of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute the terms of the contract when predefined conditions are met. So for now I am going to explain how Bitcoin actually works. As we can see in the diagram, in step 1, simple transaction is requested from a person to any person. In step 2, the transaction that is created is represented in a block, and in step 3, the transaction is being verified that if it is real or not. In step 3, the block is sent to every node in the network. In step 4, the nodes validates the transaction as it is real or not. In the step 5, every node that receives the transactions receives a proof of work as a reward. And then in step 5, the block is added to the existing blockchain, and in step 6, the transaction has been completed. In figure, I have already discussed about how the blockchain works. Here are some of the points that has been listed. As we can see, in point 1, a user requests or transactions. In point 2, the transaction is broadcast to the network nodes. In 3, the nodes verify the transactions. In 4, verified transactions are grouped into a block. And in 5, nodes validate the block using a consensus method. In 6, the block is added to the blockchain. And as of 7, the ledger updates across all nodes, making the record permanent and secure.
I'm Prabhas Podel. I'm here to discuss about the history of blockchain. In 1991, Ever and Stornetta introduced the idea of a secure chain of digital blocks. In 2004, Adam Back created Hashcash, the basis for proof of work. Later, in 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. In 2009, Bitcoin launched, creating the first real blockchain. In 2015, Ethereum introduced smart contracts. And 2016 to right now, blockchain expanded into finance, NFTs, Web3, and many industries. Thank you.